morning, student. I am Kumari Rasmi, your SST teacher. Today I teach you the part of SST Geography, Chapter 2, Part 2. First, you have learned latitude, and second part you learn longitude. A longitude is the angular distance of a place of east or west of the prime meridian. Now we know what is prime meridian. Prime meridian to 0 degree longitude which passes through Greenwich in England is known as the prime meridian. This is the figure of prime meridian. This is the equator and Greenwich, England, south pole of earth and the north pole of earth and south pole of earth, and Greenwich of England pass between the equator is called a prime meridian. Now the longitude and time. Three parts of longitude and time: local time, standard time and Indian standard time. Indian standard time in India, the longitude of 82 degree 30 east, passing through all the considered the standard meridian. When it noon on this longitude, the time is taking the whole country. It is called the Indian time. Whole country is the same time of India is called the Indian standard time. Now the international deadline. The international deadline runs along 180 degree longitude. It is an imaginary line on the surface of Earth that ran from the North Pole and the South Pole and the establish of calendar day from the next. This line is the run from the South Pole or North Pole of Earth. Sorry, North Pole or South Pole of Earth. Summary of parallel of latitude and meridians of longitude. Both longitudes and latitudes are imaginary lines and drawn on the globe or the world map. We see the world map, see some lines are imaginary lines. They have to choose the place where is standard. Second is the horizontal or the east-west state of the lines on the globe are called the parallel of latitude. Third, the vertical or north-south line are called the meridian of longitude. Fourth, any place on the earth can be located with the help of this line. It means longitude and latitude's line are help the choose any place of earth, what is the distance and where is located. There are 180 parallels of longitude and 360 meridians of longitude. Now your second chapter is complete. Do question answer and read properly. You have any problem, write the comment box of MPS Academy. Thank you.